Hi guys, this is Sohil and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be solving the problem. Okay, so basically it's kind of a sorting where we'll be given three elements 0, 1 and 2 in the form of a linked list, and we will need to sort them first and then return the head of the modifying linked list. Okay, so if you remember, like the past 2 to 3 days we have been doing the sum related to linked list, so it won't be a problem for us. So firstly we will check whether head is null or head dot next is null. Okay, that means if head is none, we will be returning the head. And see, if head dot next is none, this means that the list contains only one element in it and we don't need to sort it, right? So we will be returning head. This will save a lot of time and prevents time complexity. Now we will move to the main part of the program. We will take a variable where we will be storing the head. Okay, now if you see, there are three elements 0, 1 and 2. So we will be taking a list in order to store the frequencies. Okay, 0 comma, like it will be 0 comma 0 comma 0. What it will do is it will basically store the frequencies, like frequencies of 0, 1, 2. It will store in the list. Okay, and initially for counting we will be taking 0 for all of them. Now let's iterate throughout the linked list. Okay, so we will write while temp is not equals to null. I'm so sorry, null. See, now we will be checking if it's 0, 1 and 2, and we will be incrementing it likewise. So we can write here L temp dot data equals, this means, let's take this one for an example. Okay, firstly we will have 1. Okay, so temp dot data means 1. L, that means in 1th index we will be incrementing 1, so this will be 0, 1, 0. Okay, and the second one, similarly we will be incrementing 1 in the second index, so this will be 0, 1, 1. Similarly in the third one we will be incrementing in the second index, it means 0, 1, 2. Likewise we will move. Okay, so we have done this. Now what will we do is we will take a variable for storing the sum here. Okay, or we can take it as a counter, for example. Okay, and see here, in order to iterate we will be changing temp, that means help it moving to the next node, and when we have completed this part we will be changing temp back to its original value, that is head. Okay, now while temp is not equals to null, here we will have to perform the operations. Okay, so counter plus equals 1. Okay, if counter is less than equals L0, so firstly we will be checking how many zeros are there and we need to change them like override the data present to 0. Okay, now here we won't be writing only L1. Instead we will have to write L0 plus L1. Why are we doing this? We are doing this because this sum is traversing throughout 0 and 1 as well here, like 0 and 1. That means we need to check the sum here. Okay, so imagine here we have 2 1 and only 1 0. Now when we are out like iterating throughout, okay, we will be covering this first and then this, so we will have to check for the sum here. Okay, so if this condition satisfies, then we will be putting here 1, else the last condition is putting 2. That's all. Okay, so it's an easy program if we kind of get the thing, the logic. Okay, and right away we'll return it. Okay, so we have covered all the portions here which I have said. Okay, so I hope you have got the thing, understood it now, and we will be iterating the temp here. That means temp equals to temp dot next. Okay, so let's submit the code. So we have completed our program. Okay, thanks for watching.